In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backdate a Substack post. Although Substack doesn't officially support this feature, which means you can't change the published date to a past date once your post is published, there is a simple workaround that you can follow. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this with ease. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is where all your posts are housed, and from here, you can easily manage each one. Look for the Posts section on your dashboard. This is your central hub for creating, organizing, and editing your published work. Once you've located this section, find the post that you would like to backdate. Simply click on it to proceed. With your post open, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots, usually found on the right-hand side. This is your gateway to more options regarding this post. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Among the options presented, choose Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your post's content. Now, when it comes to backdating the post, since Substack doesn't offer a direct option to change the published date, you'll add the desired published date visibly within your post. You have 2 main options for this. One option is to include the date directly at the start of your post's title. For example, you might rename your title to something like March 3rd, 2024, Newsletter, AI and You. By doing this, readers immediately see when the post was intended to be published, even if the platform doesn't reflect this as the official publish date. Alternatively, you can introduce this date in the first line of your content. Imagine opening your post with a line that reads, originally written on March 3rd, 2024. This provides clarity for your readers and maintains the chronological context within your series of posts. Once you've made these changes, the final step is quite straightforward. Click on the update button to save the edits you've made. This ensures that your post reflects this new information for all your readers moving forward. To sum it up, while Substack doesn't currently provide a direct backdating function, using this workaround allows you to clearly communicate the intended published date of your post. By incorporating this date into your content and either in the title or the opening line, you maintain historical context and transparency with your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy writing on Substack.